Hi, in this video we're going to introduce the action synchronization tool, and with this tool you can easily create two agents fight each other and they can select the correct animation, for example one attack and one defense, and also they can choose the correct phase. For example, the animation is from 0 to 40 frames. The other action will also choose the correct frames if they fight each other, and it can synchronize the fight, synchronize the attack and the defense. Let's first open our example and then introduce how to achieve that. And in the same in OA test, a Swordman, let's first build our origin agent. You can see that this is a very simple origin agent, and we already built the action group for that. Here you can see that there's a fight action group, and the stand is pretty much the default action. So let's see that in our decision node, the default action and the fight. This is a group, action group, and inside of this group there are three different actions, these 3 attacks and 3 defenses. So that is cool. And when we play back our simulation, you can see that the agent will start from the stand and play randomly, choose from the action group, the fight, and sometimes the attack, sometimes the defense, based on the time slider randomly. So what I'm going to do is export this action dplace, export this the origin agent to our hard drive, and import twice into the scene, and then create 2 different agent type and make them fight synchronized. So let's select them and export selection to the OA, and put it right here, or just create a new one. Swordman. Okay, and the name should be Swordman OA_01. And let's double click the Control N and click the My Army Ready for building a brand new scene. And here, let's click in the reference editor. Let me use the reference method. Here, let's click this and reference this into the scene, and reference that again. And now you can see that there are 2 different agent types, but actually they are the same. So let's just put them into the My Army contents and change the color for that a little bit. Change the second one to the blue, this one, and then let's create 2 different place node. Create a place node for the red guy, and place node, and move this outside. Scale this up and rotate, and make them face to face. And then let's just change the color of this, make this bigger, and just decrease this down to 0 for locking them. So you can see that this guy is turned to the blue, and you can see that the second is blue, the 1 is the red, this 2 is blue. Okay, and let's place our agents and play back the animation. And let's put on this. We need to disable this use simple transition so that the transition map can work. Okay, they will fight each other, but you can see that the animation selection is incorrect. Both of them attack. So what I'm going to do is make them one select the fight and another select the defense, and also the frame should be the same. So let's make the red one the subjective. So let's open the action synchronization tool, the action synchronization editor, and let's establish the relationship from the subjective to the objective. The subjective agent type is the red one, so we need to select the action in the red one as the first selection, and the second selection inside of the blue one. So the attack 1 should link to the defense 1 and link, and attack 2 and the link to the defense 2, and this attack free a link to the defense free, and then defense 1 of the subjective agent will link to the attack 1, and defense 2 link to the attack 2, and defense free and link to the attack free. Okay, and link. So this relationship has been established. You can see that all of these agents can drive the other agent and make them make the objective the agent synchronize that the subjective agent. So let's continue. And the simple thing we need to do is create the logic. We first needed to create a logic for the subjective agent. So we need to activate the red one and create the tail logic, or tail my action. Yes. What I'm going to do is pretty much broadcast what I'm doing for this agent and tell the nearby agent inside of the sphere range. So let's just enable the input. Let's put it right here. In the sphere range, someone in my sphere in distance less than, for example, 100 or even less. It's just to tell nearby agent and use this very simple tail of the language, the tail near agent my action. So this is enough. And for this objective, the agent, I'm sorry, we need to activate this the objective agent, the blue, and create the here and continue in the reference mode. That will there's a prompt, and it will here and receive action info. So inside of this the sphere range, it will tell the agent in front and what I'm doing. For example, the red one will tell the information of animation to the blue one, and the blue one is going to receive this information and do the action synchronization automatically. So the setup is actually complete. Let me run this simulation and see what will happen. You can see that. Let's select both of them, and you can see that they will always select the correct the action, the attack free, a defense free. Let's continue playback. A defense 1 and attack 1. The defense can drive the action also. The amazing thing is if we accelerate the subjective agent, for example, let's do that. Let's activate the red one. For example, we accelerate the animation of the red one. Let's do that. Speed up. Okay, and this is creating the red one, and let's just the playback, change all the playback speed to the 1.5. You can see that the blue one can synchronize the action and the phase of that animation. So let's select both of them in the playback again. You can see that it will try to synchronize and always select the correct the actions and do the same, the similar same of the action phase. This is amazing if you want to simulate a group of agents fight each other face to face and do the synchronization, the actions and the action phase, even with the different action playback rate. And this is our introduction for the action synchronization tool. Thank you for watching. See you next time.